Brought to you by JEGS.
Welcome back to Boostline Performance. Up next on the dyno this evening, we've got our Street Strip Series 427 cubic inch LS. We're using CP pistons, our Boostline forged center counterweight crank, and Boostline forged rods, along with these AFR LS3 as cast heads, netting us just about 11-to-1 compression. So let's break it in, let's make some pulls and see what kind of power we can get out of this thing. All right, that just about wraps it up on the dyno session with our 427 Street Strip Series LS. Now, if you're looking for something like this, maybe you need this exact package for your application. It's available through JEGS, so be sure to check out the JEGS website.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.